In addition to the pseudo selectors that we have used to style our links, CSS contains other pseudo selectors that allow us to respond to user interaction. One of those, the focus pseudo selector, can be used with forms to let users know when they've changed focus from one form to another. We'll add an additional layer of interactivity to our form by using the focus pseudo selector on our text fields. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, you deserve a break after that last exercise. So this one is going to be a snap. We're only going to do one selector, and it's going to have a profound impact on our form. So I have the join.html file open, and all we need to do is I'm going to switch to split view, make sure I'm focusing on my CSS, and again, I'm going to scroll down to about line 700 or so. There we go. As a matter of fact, line 739, that's where we need to be. I'm going to hit return and go right after that one, and I'm going to type in #main content space input. Now remember, those are our text fields, .text. And then, without another space, type in :focus. Now, you may have remembered, styling our links a while back, we did :link, :hover, :active, :visit. Well, it's the same thing. The focus pseudo selector means when somebody has clicked on this form element or established focus on it. So by saying input.text :focus, we're saying when somebody has selected any input field with the class of text. Very nice, right? Well, we also want to do the same thing to our text area. So I'm going to do a comma, #main content, space, text area, one word, :focus. So those are both going to do the same thing for us, and that comma right there between them is going to group them together. Open a curly brace, and all we're going to do here is change a background color. So type in background, #FFC, which is sort of a cream color. Close that, do a save all, and guess what? You're done. Let's go ahead and preview that in our browser, and let's check out what that does for us. By establishing a background color, when somebody has focus in a text field, when you click inside the text field, notice that the background color changes, and you're essentially giving your user that input that they're typing into that specific area. Now, it's important to note that not every browser supports the focus pseudo selector on form elements, most noticeably some of the older versions of Internet Explorer. However, the additional usability that this brings to your forms in standards-compliant browsers is well worth the extra line or two of code within your CSS. Besides, non-standards-compliant browsers will still display your form just fine. Its users just won't have this really cool increased interactivity that we're seeing here.